If you're wondering how I went from here to here and then here and now here and finally I finished this eye look, this is the tutorial for you. I'm going to show you some hacks and tricks that are beginner friendly and this will nail your eyeshadow application always. So let's get started with today's video. First we need to prime our eyelids, so I'm using the Trini London concealer in the shade Santa. And I'm going in with the Anisa Beauty Eye Fan brush and applying this all over the lid. This brush applies the product very quickly and it blends too. So it does two jobs in one. Apply some to the lower lash line too. Now with the brush or a finger, I want you to feel the bone that surrounds the eye. This is a very important step, so make sure you get this right. Going in with the Pat McGrath Luminous Legends palette and the Colourpop E28 brush, which is a dome brush, choosing the light brown shade, let's apply it to the crease line. Just use dabbing motions for now. Now look at your lower lash line and aim it upwards, going towards the ear. And now I want you to apply the same color going upwards and make sure it's meeting the eyeshadow that we have applied in the crease. This is how your eye should look. Now I'm going in with the Sigma switch to clean out the brush and going in with the deeper brown shade on the same brush. Let's do the same thing again. But this time apply the darker color inside the lighter shade. Do exactly the same thing and you will not go wrong. Again use dabbing motions. Now with the Refer 13 brush, which is my favorite blending brush, you can see how it is not too big and not too small. Let's blend out those colors together. This might take a bit of time, but it's the easiest hack ever. Keep blending till it looks seamless. Now this is a very important step. Go in with the light color, now the dark and back into the light and blend all of that together. You will never have any lines in your eyeshadow. I can promise you that. Back in with the dark brown shade, we're going to apply it to the lower lash line. And at this stage, your eye should look something like this. Now with the same brush with whatever's on it, just bring it towards the inner corner. This will put all the eyeshadows together. Now with the Pat McGrath liquid eyeshadow in the shade Bronze, we're going to be using the Colourpop E3 brush and we're going to dab that onto the lid. It's very easy to apply and just look at the shine it gives you. I'm applying it with a brush to give it a cut crease, but you can also go in with your fingers. Keep dabbing on the product to get more pigment. And just look how beautiful the eyes look. Isn't it stunning? Now with the Hindash Cosmetics eyeliner, we're going to create a wing. Completely optional again. Going in with the Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl Pencil, let's line the lash lines. Don't forget to tightline the upper lash line. Curl your lashes. Going in with the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara, let's apply that on our lashes to elongate them and also give them some volume. See how easily it's separating out the lashes? This is one of the best mascaras I have used till date. Have you tried it? Let me know in the comments. And here is the most beginner-friendly tutorial ever. I really hope you enjoyed and learned from it. And if you did, I would really like you to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. See you guys. Bye-bye.